What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Trigga, if you already don't know. As always, my social media is always linked in the description down below. But what's happening, guys? How you guys doing? Hope everyone's well. Let's show you guys what we got right away. So this is gonna be a short little video today, but I wanted to share this with you guys. My Voodoo13 control arm system. All my arms in my rear suspension are these beautiful Billet Voodoo13, just billet arms, guys. These are literally best in the game. If you want something strong, this is what you buy. But I don't know if this camera can pick up the detail, but this is all billet, guys. See the machining that's been done, as well as these guys. All this outer frame is billet. All of these chromoly, I believe it's chromoly, I might be wrong. Okay, I'm wrong, I'm for sure wrong. But all these are like really high-end material, guys. And one fun fact, I had this in my old Z, and when I crashed, the only damage this thing took was a little bit of a bend that a hammer fixed. And it's crazy, everything else on the car was total, besides these in the rear suspension and one of these two. So that's how good this product is. Accident approved for sure. With stuff like this, guys, it's always about how much money you spend. Mostly this stuff is expensive, guys, but it's definitely worth every penny because it's never gonna break on you. It's never gonna go bad. It's just billet stuff lasts forever. And Voodoo13 just is one of my favorite companies. I have everything they make for this chassis, from billet subframe bushings, all their control arms, the hoon handle. It's pretty much everything, guys, because they're the best of the best. But let's get right to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to throw all this stuff onto your Z. If you do have a 370Z, as well 350Z G37, they're all the same. So if you watch this video, it's pretty much universal for all those cars. But let's get right to it. Have my rear knuckles just sitting over there chilling. Through the rear subframe in the car. Everything is in, bolted it down. Oil system's in place. Everything is looking nice, guys. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna want to install these arms. Little brief explanation. This is where that gray toe arm is gonna go. The green control arm, which deleted the spring bucket. If you haven't watched the video about my PVM coils, I'll link it right here so you can check it out. But that green one is gonna go right here, so control connects to the knuckle, and then our dog bone looking billet arm will be going right here to connect. All of those will be connecting to right here. As you guys see, I marked them. So the black is for the dog bone billet arm, the green is for the toe for the spring bucket, and as well the gray goes right here, which is for. But yeah, pretty simple, easy install, nothing crazy. Just wanted to share this with you guys more than anything, just because who doesn't love some billet? Okay, guys, so first what I'm gonna install is what is gonna replace the spring bucket, and that's the green control arm. So you're gonna want to take the bolt out, pass the bolt through, take the alignment plate, make sure it slides onto the bolt correctly because it has an indentation, lock it into its place. And then I'm not going to be torquing these down, I'm just hand tightening them right now, and then after just tightening them to where they're tight, and then when I get an alignment, my alignment guy can torque them down to whatever they need to be after he's done aligning it. But yeah, we're going to be doing that for this, and then the next control arm, which is, or the black one, will connect here, and then I'll show you guys the toe arm too. You're going to want to do that for both sides. Alright, guys, now that those two arms are on, our last arm is going to connect to right here, and then from there it'll connect to the knuckle, which is supposed to be sitting right here. We're going to install that now, and then do the same thing for that side. Since I was throwing already all that stuff on, I decided I should just throw these on too, which these are the sole function braces, and these are the suspension braces. But this is the rear brace, and then this is the other rear brace. This one connects to the green toe arms, I believe, and then this one connects to the black ones, which is the dog bone style. But if you want to get your suspension stiff, guys, this is the way to do it. I also have it in the rear of my car. I have their 4-point trunk kit. It's an awesome thing to have for this chassis. We'll talk more about that later when I get the car on the road and I'll explain how it works, but let's throw these guys on too. Well, this is how the final product came out. So function braces installed, and our tow arms, control arms, and our traction arms, they're all installed, as you guys can see. It's such a beautiful sight under here. It's gonna be so nice when it's all finished up with the diff inside.